Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is account managers. Now, if your account manager is really looking after your client, the job of that person is not just to deliver the solution that they've purchased. You need to have a mentality within that person and within your organisation for business growth. Eyes open, ears open, questions coming out of how you can next help that business. Of course, you want to make sure that you're managing that person correctly, but in doing so, you should be looking out for opportunities. The mindset for opportunities needs to be at the forefront of your account manager's mind. So if you want a top tip for them, get them highly skilled. Put them on a course where they understand how to have commercial conversations. Help them understand that each time they're with a client, how to recognise those opportunities, but better than recognise them, how to create those opportunities. Because usually the client's screaming out for other things that they need and the account manager just might be blinkered and miss it all. If you found that useful, then do share. If you want to make a comment about account manager doing it really well, then do comment below. And if you want to have more tips on how to get your account managers with a growth mentality, then subscribe below. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.